Oh, guys, dating when you're trying to evolve is like 10 times harder. Dating is already hard in big 2025, but dating while you're on this glow up journey or any type of evolution journey, I swear, it just seems like it's impossible. People will treat you different, your standards start to change, just everything gets so convoluted, and it's just too much. It's known as the glow up in love, and it can be a disastrous process if you do not have a plan or strategies in place to make sure that you're able to actually curate your glow up and a new relationship or a budding relationship. It's a lot to juggle, but today I'm going to talk about exactly how you can find the balance, how to juggle this whole trying to be somebody and trying to be somebody for somebody else. I mean, because it is a balancing act. We got a lot of good stuff to talk about today, but before we get into all of that, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you guys have never seen my face before, then hey, I'm Jessyka Banks. So nice to have you. Come on in, get comfortable because it's a vibe over here. We talk about everything from femininity, productivity, lifestyle, and today, how to date on your glow up journey. Okay, so if you're into all of that, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, I post a video almost every day about how to live your best life in real time. Okay, and so I don't want you to miss not one video. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop yapping and get right into it because we got some good stuff today. So let's get into it. So today we're gonna be talking about 3 reasons why it's hard to date on your glow up journey, how to protect your energy while growing, the boundary rules you need, real strategies so your evolution doesn't sabotage your love life, and how to date with your journey, not being in conflict with it. So it's a lot of good stuff. If you're into all of that, let's get right into it. The first reason why it's super hard to date on this journey is because you're busy pouring into yourself as opposed to other people. Any evolution journey is about looking inward, turning introspectively, and pouring into yourself, especially a glow up journey, which is characterized by tons of self-love, right? And self-reflection. You're investing in you. We're talking about new routines, new healings, new habits, new mindsets. That investment demands time, focus, and energy. And it's not like that other people around you are bad or negative. It's just that in this season of my life, I'm pouring into me instead. And that's something that you have to be very clear about during this time. You just simply can't give as much as maybe you once could. When someone expects full emotional bandwidth from you, it can kind of feel unfair. But, you have to be comfortable with saying, hey, I'm focusing on me right now. I would love to integrate you into my schedule. I like you. I enjoy you. But I'm focusing on me right now. It may seem a little selfish, but I promise you guys, it is so necessary. And it's going to benefit everybody in the end. When you are who you need to be, that's when you're able to effectively pour into other people and not a second before. The next reason why dating is so hard on this journey is messy energies and like cleaning house. When you are glowing up and really doing the work to like fix yourself from the inside out, it gets messy, y'all. It gets chaotic, and it's all about shaking up stagnant energy, stagnant habits, stagnant standards that you used to have for yourself. Just shaking all that stagnant energy up and out of your life. And sometimes when you shake things loose, all kind of stuff falls out. Think about when you're like cleaning your house. Let's say, for instance, your house is like messy and disgusting and filthy, right? You have dishes that are like molded everywhere. You have like trash all over the place, dirty stuff. It's just a mess. When you finally get the strength, the energy, the whatever to go in there and clean it, you don't want that process on full display, right? You don't need people judging you in this process. And even if they're not judging you, you don't want to feel like they are judging you. Sometimes you have to just lock in and like sorter through your emotional shit on your own. Sorter through this emotional clutter alone and isolated so you can really get down to the nitty gritty, judgment free. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's okay to guard your process. Of course, you can still date, but everybody that you meet does not need a front row seat to your healing. You don't need to broadcast all your growth. Some things genuinely need to be private, and this is one of them. Reason number 3, this dating thing on this glow up, healing, self-care journey can be hard is because of opinions and influences of other people can equal to distraction. When you date people, their opinions, habits, and even their insecurities start to influence you, and this This is not the time for that. This is not the time to be influenced by anybody else's version of growth or healing. This one is for you, babes. People can push you back into your old habits or even criticize your new boundaries, but you have got to keep your eye on your North Star. If anybody is pulling you from that trajectory, then that's a red flag and they gotta go. Deuces. Another reason why this dating thing can get hard is because you are no longer okay with less. As we glow up, guys, our standards also start to glow up. So people that used to count or that you would rate at first, they're not even on your radar anymore. They can't keep up with your evolution. And sometimes that can be hard. That can be a very hard transition for both you and them. Glow up sets new standards emotionally, spiritually, physically. And it's better to miss someone that you outgrew than to force yourself to stay in a situation that's no longer aligned with you. My mom used to always say, people choose a familiar hell over an unfamiliar heaven every day. Don't be that person. So I would never tell you guys not to date. I love dating. Dating is fun. I love getting cute. I love going on dates. And I just simply love. So I'm going to show you guys some dating strategies that you can use on this glow up journey to make this journey not be in conflict with your love life. Because who wants that? Not me. Not me, girl. Number one, openly communicate the season that you're in. Hey, listen, I'm in a growth journey right now. Things might be a little messy, chaotic, and they may not always be consistent, but I'm really enjoying you and I hope that we can grow alongside each other. Perfect. Straight to the point, not making any excuses, but also communicating where you are right now. Next, go slow. Take your time before merging lives, right? Actually test the compatibility and see if this is even worth it in the first place. So many times, especially when you kind of like somebody for real, right? It's so easy to want to merge lives and merge processes with people, but no, this process is so sacred and it's one that you really need to take isolated. You can do a parallel with someone, but you got to focus on your own process. So don't be so quick to just merge lives. Like, take your time. If they're really the one, they'll still be there. Next, create buffer boundaries. And this is so important, guys. You need to protect your downtime, your sacred habits, and your mental space. Next, and this one is so important, guys. Use love as an expansion, not as a substitution. Your partner and love should actually be enhancing your journey, not a substitute for what's not working in your life, right? You should never be looking for someone to complete you. You're supposed to show up complete or as complete as possible, and they just enhance what you already have going on. Your partner should enhance your journey, not just fill a void. And lastly, guys, evaluate alignment. Ask yourself, does this person want me for who I'm becoming or simply for who I was? Because that can save you so much time, energy, and heartbreak. It's important to make sure that the people that you are talking to are interested in the person that you're trying to be, not the person that maybe you are right now. All right, guys, so this is my favorite section of all my videos. I love to leave you guys with affirmations that are going to help you with this particular part of the glow up journey, dating on the glow up journey. I use these affirmations all the time because I am like a sucker for love. I love love, and I truly believe that my partner is out there, and I feel like I can find him even on this journey. So let me give you some affirmations. I deserve love and time to grow. My seasons don't require permissions. When someone can't handle my evolution, it's not a reflection of me. My growth is non-negotiable. Relationships must adapt, not block it. So here's a few things that I want you guys to do to really make this process a lot easier and more effective for you. Number one, I want you to journal. I want you to list out 3 non-negotiables for whoever you let in your dating life. And get specific about these 3. Next, create you a growth blueprint with boundaries and goals, and always refer back to this whenever you start to feel a little bit of pushback. Also, test small conversations. Say things like, this season, I just really need some time to pour into myself, and see how that fares over. Always end with, I appreciate your understanding. It just puts everything with a cute little bow on top. And lastly, guys, reassess all current and past connections. Figure out which ones align with who you are becoming and which one is showing some resistance. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today. I hope that you really enjoyed this video, guys. It was a lot of good stuff in here, and I'm also talking to myself. All of these videos is not just me dropping information on you guys. It's a transactional conversation. Like, I'm learning in real time as well, and that's why I just love this series that I'm in, the Glow Up in Progress, because we're glowing up in real time together. Like, I'm your internet bestie, and I want the best for both of us. So if this video hit home or resonated with you at all, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and of course, share with your friends. I want to grow our tribe, guys, because we are creating confident, strong, glowed up, healed women. And that's what life is about. Also in the comments, guys, drop down what has been your biggest challenge of dating while glowing up. Let me know. I love reading your stories. It's so fun and it just makes my day. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Make good decisions and wear sunscreen. Bye. Mwah. No, seriously, guys, it's time to glow up and date while we're glowing up. But do not let anybody that you're dating block the journey, because you know what? That can block the person that you're actually supposed to be with, right? The person that was supposed to meet you on your healed version. Don't let some dusty, you know what I'm saying, like halt you in your process. If anything is not aligning with what you got going on and who you see yourself being, cut it off and cut it off now. Okay, bye.